What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This was my biggest dividend income day ever. I'm going to kind of do a little bit of a speed run because I already posted a video earlier today. I don't want to overwhelm you with videos, but this is part 2. This was my biggest dividend income day. And this is a combination of M1 Finance and E-Trade, and really the dividend snowball effect is kicking in. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check my dividend income out right now. So this was a big day for me, and M1 Finance is always a day behind, and it's kind of frustrating. But I made 117 with RYLD Corporation. I really need to target this monthly dividend real estate investment trust. I consider them a huge rival to Realty Income. Enterprise Product Partners made 29.23. Hessa Midstream and MPLX and One Oak 4 cents, 5 cents, and 9 cents. And TSLY I made 501.90. I made a total of $532.39 or $532.39. All of that was reinvested today, and look what it did. So the dividend snowball effect's really kicking in. I bought Fifth Third Bank Corp with those dividends that were reinvested. Bank OZK, Capital Southwest Corporation, like I said, I'm going to do a video on them this week. Medifast, $49, and Target Corporation, $16.04. So this is just on the dividend income I made today. And with TSLY being implemented in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio and dividend investing strategy, this can really cause a dividend snowball effect to really kick in. So I mean, look at how many shares I got at Fifth Third Bank Corp just based on passive income, 3 shares. And I didn't put any money in today. Bank OZK, I got almost a full share. Capital Southwest Corporation, 16 shares. Medifast, I got half a share, which is nice. And Target, I got like 0.1 shares. But again, these dividends are buying dividend stocks, dividend growth stocks. And that was my plan, was to have my high yielders and TSLY buy my dividend growth stocks. And really, I'm getting very close to phase 2. I cannot wait until KLIP and all these other monthly dividend ETFs come in, because I want to add KLIP, SLVO. I considered I'm going to do a review on them, and a few others. There are so many opportunities to turbocharge my dividend portfolio, and I needed to start adding monthly dividend ETFs and dividend stocks just for this reason. Now, let me jump to E-Trade. And on E-Trade, here's my estimated dividend income, $5,751.24. EPR, I made $35.10. Horizon Technology, I made $14.34. That is a monthly dividend business development company. Another monthly dividend business development company, Main Street Capital, $27.79. Realty Income, I made $34.89. And look at this, on the 31st of August, I cannot wait. Arbor Realty Trust, I'm going to be making $259.88. All of this is going to be reinvested into the stocks. So what I want to do is get to the point where I'm on M1 Finance and I don't pay a dime anymore, throw any more money. I want to allocate it here. I want to allocate it to Fundrise. I want to allocate it to other stuff. I want to allocate it into some option stocks so I can start doing a little bit more options trading and learn how to do that. So that's one thing. Probably at the end of next week, I'm going to start trying to learn and implement, because I can really turbocharge my dividend portfolio. But I'm going to be honest with you, TSLY has really turbocharged my dividend portfolio. And if I'm having these issues with reinvesting, I may just sell the shares on TSLY here, take a little bit of a capital gains hit, and APLY and just throw it into TSLY on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio and then go from there. So that's one thing I've considered as well. I cannot wait until KLIP gets on M1 Finance because that's another one that I can use to really turbocharge my dividend portfolio. Because like one week I get TSLY, next week I get KLIP, and I'm looking forward to the other yield max ETFs getting on there as well. So I can just really buy those dividend growth stocks. And you saw what happened with TSLY ETF with the dividends. I bought 3 shares of Fifth Third Bancorp, and that was huge. I didn't put any money in today, and that's just on the dividends and the dividend snowball effect starting to kick in. That's why I implement TSLY in my dividend investing strategy. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I wanted to be a little quick because I posted a previous video with TSLY revealing my total dividend income on here and on M1 Finance. So you guys take care and have a great day. And by the way, of course, I had to trick you. I have to go over my disclaimer. It's my favorite part. So as you know, this YouTube channel is for entertainment purposes only, and I have a disclaimer in the description. Do not take this in any form of financial advice. Some stocks that I may buy, I may sell in the future if something drastic happens. For example, AT&T, they cut their dividend. I sold them. Walgreens Boots Alliance, I didn't like the way things were going. I got rid of them. Verizon, I sold them as well. So I'm just being very transparent with my dividend portfolio, my dividend investing strategy. And I really am very transparent with my buys, and I provide my rationales. But if you really want to seek financial advice, seek advice from a financial advisor or somebody that is certified to give financial advice. Don't look at me. So I am doing this strictly for entertainment purposes on YouTube, and I'm not telling you to buy a stock or anything. So don't take this in any form of financial advice. You can lose money on investments. You can make money on investments. So I just want to be clear. I own TSLY. I don't plan on doing anything with TSLY unless something drastic happens, or with these dividend stocks I own. You guys take care and have a great Tuesday.